Good morning and welcome back. We're going to start by doing our Together We Learn theme song. Go ahead and grab your mom, your dad, your brother, and your sister, and let's sing together. A, B, C's and 1, 2, 3's, shapes and colors more you'll see. We are learning all our lives. Together with you is twice as nice. We will learn and we will be very, very proud, you'll see. All right, get ready for the pledge. Stand up nice and tall and proud. Right hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Repeat after me. I am smart.
I am smart.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I am important.
I am important.
And remember, a person's a person, no matter how small. All right, we're continuing with our space theme, and I have a book for you today called ABC Universe. All right. A, astronaut. Astronauts are people who are trained to go into space. The first astronauts landed on the moon on July 20th, 1969. That is a long time ago. B, black hole. A black hole is formed when a very large star runs out of energy and collapses. Nothing can escape from a black hole if it gets too close. C, comet. A comet is a ball of ice and dust. When a comet moves close to the sun, it can form a long, bright tail. Oh, that's cool. Dwarf planet. A dwarf planet is round and moves around the sun, but it is smaller than a planet. Pluto is the most famous dwarf planet. Oh, what's that? E is for Earth. If Earth were a little closer or further from the sun, it would be too hot or too cold for humans, animals, and plants to exist. Remember, that's why it's the just right planet, the Goldilocks, right? F, flare. A solar flare is a burst of energy from the surface of the sun. G is for galaxy. Galaxies are made up of dust, gas, and stars held together by gravity. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, has hundreds of billions of stars in it. H, Hubble Space Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope is a powerful telescope that moves in space and takes pictures of planets, stars, and galaxies. It weighs as much as 2 elephants. Jeez. Io. Io is one of Jupiter's many moons, covered by hundreds of volcanoes. Io is the most volcanically active object in the solar system. J, Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun and the largest planet in our solar system. One of Jupiter's storms, the Great Red Spot, has lasted for hundreds of years. K, Kepler spacecraft. The Kepler spacecraft was launched into space to look for Earth-like planets where liquid water and life might exist. L, lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when the sun, Earth, and the moon line up, causing Earth's shadow to cover the moon. The moon looks red during a lunar eclipse. M is for moon. Moon. The moon is the only natural object to move around Earth. It is also the only other world in outer space that humans have ever visited. N, nebula. A nebula is a cloud of dust and gas in space. Some nebulae are places where stars are born. Others are formed when stars die. Orbit. An orbit is the path that an object takes as it moves around another object. See how it's moving around? P, planets. A planet is a large large round object that orbits the sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Q. Quasar. Quasars are very bright objects that are in the center of a very distant galaxies. R. Rocket. Rockets are used to launch satellites, astronauts, and other objects into space. Supernova. A supernova is an explosion of a star. It can be incredibly bright and is the largest explosion in space. This photo is of the remains of a supernova explosion. T is for telescope. Telescopes are instruments that help people see faraway items. Astronomers use them to study planets, stars, and other objects in space. Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun at 1.8 billion miles away. Its orbit around the sun takes 84 years. Voyager. Voyager 1 is a space probe that was launched in 1977 to study the outer solar system. It is the most distant human-made object in space. W. White dwarf. A white dwarf is a star that has run out of energy. Billions of years from now, the sun will turn into a white dwarf. X. X-ray binary. An X-ray binary is a pair of stars where one star is collapsed and pulls material off the other star, producing X-rays. That's cool. Yellow dwarf. A yellow dwarf is a medium-sized star like our sun. Even though it's called a yellow dwarf and looks orange here, our sun is actually white. Zenith. A zenith is an imaginary point directly overhead, for letter Z. The end. There is a lot of really neat things in outer space. Again, you should visit that website, timeanddate.com/astronomy/night/ to see all the planets that you can that are visible this week by going outside and looking up in the sky. You don't even need a telescope. That is so cool. All right, let's come over here to start our calendar. All right, let's figure out what day it is today. Help me count at home, nice and loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I'm gonna put up my sun because my pattern is flower, sun, flower, sun. Think about what tomorrow's gonna be. Remember, they're taking turns, one after another. All right, follow number 14 all the way up. Do. Repeat after me. Today is Thursday, May 14th. And Thursday's a day of the week. There are 7 days in our whole week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. All day long, all day long. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. All right, I'm going to come up here to my month. Who knows what month we're in? M-A-Y spells May. And May is number 5. There are 12 months in the whole year. Let's do it together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Great job. All right, go to your window or door, look outside, and think about how we would dress Froggy today. Think about if it's chilly, he might need a sweatshirt. If it's hot, he might need a tank top. Think about those words in your head, and then think about how maybe you would dress yourself today. Try to dress yourself all by yourself today. That would make Mom and Dad really proud. Okay, over here on our board, again, there's nothing up here. and we are so smart. Good job. But we are going to review some things today. So I'm going to show you some shapes, and I want you to try and think about what they are at home. Think if you can try and guess it before Miss Carrie can guess it. All right. All right, what is this shape?
Circle.
Oh, good job. And this shape?
Square.
Nice. What about this one?
Diamond.
Good job, Miss Carrie. Okay.
Can you help me out with that one, boys and girls? Is it a triangle?
Way to go. Here's another one.
I don't know. I need some help with that one. Can you help me at home? Rectangle?
Good job. These are easy, so I want you to guess these super fast. Ready?
Heart.
And
Star.
way to go. All right, last one. This one's a little tricky.
Oval.
Way to go. Good job at home. All right, we are going to get ready to count all the way to 12 in Spanish. Help me at home. I want it nice and loud. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. All right, we're going to pick some more letters today, and I want you to help me, okay? My name is C, and my sound is K, K, K. My name is G, and my sound is G, G, G. My name is J, and my sound is J, J, J. My name is O, and my sound is ah, ah, ah. My name is T, and my sound is T, T, T. And last one, my name is W, and my sound is W, W, W. Way to go. All right, so for your work today, you can choose some more science activities that we have in there. I know there's a really fun word search that you could do. You might need a little help with mom and dad on that one. And of course, check out our STEAM activities and our craft activities that we have posted. And don't forget to go outside tonight and look for those planets in the sky. Do you have anything, Miss Carrie?
I don't think so.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.